Hey everybody, it's Lustrix Beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this ombre marble effect. So you want to start off by having your beads on the wetter side so you can have room to play around with the acrylic. Now this brand of acrylic that I'm using is Valentino Beauty Pure, and it's literally the best acrylic that I've ever used in my nail technician career. It literally spreads on like butter. So I take each bead one by one just so I won't mix the powders in with one another. And as I place them on the nail, I take them and swirl upwards and downwards just to create the perfect marble effect. Now there's not really a specific technique to this, you just kind of want to play around with it until you get an eye for exactly what you want. Now these blues are super pigmented, so pretty. Now you can place the beads on top of one another or side by side. Just make sure you get the perfect swirl. And don't try to be asymmetrical with this. Like I said, just play around with it. Here I'm just patting everything out to bring out the effect more. After I smooth out the color acrylic, I just take the core powder, Glamorous Nude by Valentino Beauty Pure, and just smooth out the ombre to bring it all together. Literally glides on like butter. And here is the finished look, guys. The perfect ocean vibes ombre. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel.